Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to remove Meta AI in WhatsApp. It's very quick and easy, so let's start. First thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on settings. Once you're here, scroll down and go to help. Just tap on that. After that, tap on help center. Once you're here, click on the contact us at the bottom of the screen, this one. From here, start typing your concern. So let's say I have a concern. I want to remove Meta AI and in my WhatsApp. You can add more, and if you want, you can also copy mine, but it's better if you add more specific details about your concern. Once you're done typing, just hit next. And that's it, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!